In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new user to WordPress. Whether you're bringing on a teammate, giving a client access, or collaborating with a contractor, the process is quick once you know where to click. We'll be working from the WordPress.com dashboard, which manages sites hosted through WordPress.com. If your site is self-hosted and uses the software from WordPress.org, your screens may look a little different, but the idea is the same. First, open your browser and go to WordPress.com. Sign in to the account that has administrator access to the site you want to manage. If you manage more than one site, glance at the site selector to make sure you're working on the correct one before you continue. This saves you from adding someone to the wrong place. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar of the dashboard. Scroll until you see Plugins. Just below Plugins, you'll find the section labeled Users. Click Users to open your site's people management area. If you don't see users, double-check that you're viewing the site-level dashboard and that your account has the necessary permissions. The Users menu only appears for roles that can manage people. Also, note that on narrower screens, the sidebar may collapse. Expanding it reveals the full list, including users right under plugins. From the Users area, you're ready for the key action. Click Add a User. This opens the Add User workflow for your site. Here, you'll invite someone to join your site and define how they'll participate. As you proceed, keep best practices in mind. Give people only the access they need to do their work, and use a work email address rather than a personal one when possible. If your organization has shared guidelines for access levels, follow them to keep your site consistent and secure. A couple of quick tips before you wrap up. If you're coordinating with someone in another time zone, let them know you've added them so they can watch for any automated messages. If an invitation doesn't arrive right away, ask them to check spam or promotions folders. And if your site uses custom security settings, an administrator may need to approve new access in a separate review step. That's all there is to it. You went to WordPress.com, opened Users from the sidebar below Plugins, and clicked Add a User. With that, you're set to onboard collaborators confidently and keep your WordPress site organized.